I thought it was supposed to say.
James said they kept her for me. James said,
There.
"3 times spoiled." Come run up some steps, get in the house, jump in your lap, go right under your seat. Now I give you that.
Alright, here they go. You ready? You mark
Just
it, set, go!
I had the surgery on 1 week. I had the surgery on this one in September, and then fell the next 2 weeks.
Yeah, he got my first real egg. Yes, I got real egg.
Go for it, Em. Go for it. Smile at me.
Garrison!
Say cheese. Say cheese. All right. Go for it.
Hey, Emma.
Smile. All right, here.
Smile.
We take the last one. All right, that's good. That's a good picture. You take one more. All right. Smile.
Well, it's a lot faster pace than the first year they did this.
Boy, my basket's there.
All right, Emma, let me get a close up. Smile at me, Em.
Garrison's beating you. Garrison's beating you.
I didn't know they could move so fast.
Garrison, come here a minute.
They don't very often.
Smile at me. Don't empty them all out. We may take them down trees.
Yeah, but wait.
So we don't have to
Smile.
stuff them. All right, you're
Guys,
done.
our baskets are getting please full.
Here, I got the bag over here.
Come put them in there. We'll take them down trees tomorrow so we don't have to stuff more eggs.
Wait, we have to.
No, you get to keep some.
Yeah.
Keep some of them.
Some?
Separate the real eggs.
Yeah.
Okay, I was worried about
It just seems like yesterday they were tiny. I mean,
Yeah, I'm going out now.
No.
Please.
Here we are. Our neighbor's kids were about this age when we moved here, maybe a year older. And gosh, Susan's a senior and Lauren's like 16, and you know, depends on the one in the office sometimes.
Alright,
They got married 10 years ago.
Bring your basket and I'll help you.
I mean, he's a good kid.
This is what I'm talking about. I'm talking to you.
Stuff up here for Memorial, and he's gonna go to Baylor.
Eight more relays.
Boy,
Ooh,
you
a
hit the
jelly
jackpot over there.
There's more.
Get this done, bud.
Eat it quick.
We didn't run. I don't care.
He didn't run that fast on the soccer field.